Welcome back to the channel. Let us start with the today's topic of Python basics for beginners from zero to hero. So today's topic is lists in Python. So let us go with the definition first. So a list is an ordered collection of elements in Python, which is like a container that can hold multiple values of any type, like numbers, strings, or even other lists also. So let us discuss with some real life analogies. Think of a list which is similar to a shopping basket. When you usually go to a shopping mall, you usually select a shopping basket to hold the elements which we need into it. So we add them just one by one and we remove them if you don't want them, and we rearrange them to order the space. So like the similar way, we can also rearrange, add or remove the elements from the list. Like the another real life analogy is a bag which contains notebooks, pens, and textbooks, which is like ordering them in an order to pick whatever we want and whenever we want the books of a school bag. This is another example. So let us go with creating of lists. Here you can see that the basic syntax of the list, which is created using only square brackets, and the values that are included in a list are separated with commas. So in my list, the elements are stored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are enclosed in square braces and separated with commas. The next one is mixed data types. I forgot to mention that lists are mutable and they can store mixed data types also. So in a list here, mixed list, we are storing actually an integer, a string, and a float value and a binary, boolean value. Sorry. And we can also start with an empty list and add elements as needed when later, while the program needs it. And as a key point, I should mention that lists are incredibly flexible and you can store practically anything inside them, making them perfect for managing collections of related data. And the next topic is accessing elements. So I like to mention a simple code which motivates you to keep on learning this video. So like accessing the elements, we need to access the features of our innate life to get boosted ourselves and to get motivate ourselves and to achieve our higher goals. Keep on focusing, keep on trying until you achieve that success. And let us go with continue this topic, understanding the indexing. So Python uses zero-based indexing, which means that the first element starts with the position 0, not 1. This is very crucial to remember while accessing the elements and performing manipulations. So accessing syntax, here you can see a fruits list which contains apple, banana, and cherry as their elements. It also, we can access them by both positive indexing and negative indexing. Modifying the elements, we can update the values directly. Here you can see the example, numbers of 1 equals to 25 and numbers we are printing. Colors, we are changing two colors in the same program. We can change like this also. Essential list operations. Append, adding an element at the end of the list. Insert, adding the element at a specific position. Delete, remove, deleting the first occurrence of an element value. Length, to find the length of the list. Here are the examples. Fruits that append of mango. Fruits that insert 1, kiwi, which adds the value at the first index position. And fruits that remove of banana, which removes the banana element. And length, which finds the length of the fruits. Looping through a list, we loop through the list using for loop, which helps to travel through the accessing of the elements in a list, which is extremely useful for processing every element efficiently in a collection. It automatically accesses items one by one. Common mistakes to avoid: list out of box range. And these are 5 simple and easy problems to solve. I hope you can do this with the examples I have given. So let us go. Hi everyone. I forgot to explain the practice problems of day 5. So I am creating another video. Hope you don't mind. So let us let us solve the problem practice problems now. So the first problem, to create a list of 5 favorite foods and print each one using loop. Alright. List equals to 5 favorite foods: cake, chicken, mutton, ice cream, biryani. So these are 5 food items and we are going to print them in order. For I in list, print I. So when we run it, we get the values one by one. Nice. Let us go with the next. Make a list from 1 to 10 and change the fifth element to 50 and print the modify list. Okay. So let us create the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on the set to modify the list of index 5. Fifth element means fourth index equals to 50 as they mentioned. Now let us print the list. Let us see it. So here the 5 is changed to 50 and you need to note that. And let us go with the next third problem. Create an empty list and add 5 city names using append and remove the third city. List, empty list, lis dot append, append of Mumbai, lis dot append Nepal, lis dot append of AP, lis dot append Jaipur, lis dot append of Kerala, lis dot remove of Kerala. Third element means AP. Now let us print the list. So we have added 5 elements and we have removed the third element which is AP. And let us let us calculate the average. So list equals to 85 comma 90 comma 78 comma 92 comma 88. We know already know that what is average. So to find average, first let us find the sum for I in lists. That is initialize the sum equals to 0. Sum equals to sum plus I print sum by sum by ln of this. So this gives the value of average. So here is the average of the values mentioned 86.6. And let us go go with the fifth problem. Create a list with mixed data types, at least one string, and print each element with its type using type. So list 1 comma 1.2 comma sorry true comma high for I in list print I comma type of I. Let us see it. So the number 1 is class int, 1.3 is class float, 2 is class bool, and high is class string. So that's it for today's class practice problems. And for further more practice problems, you can go and search for and solve them. And keep on practicing, keep on trying. One day you will definitely get what you deserve. Today, let us recap this session with a quick summary. What we have learned today, we have learned list definition and accessing, modification, looping through it and avoiding common mistakes. Why lists matter, which means lists are foundations of data structures and DSA algorithms. Understanding them deeply will make learning stacks, queues, and more complex data structures very easily. Keep practicing, and let us meet in the next video of coming up day 6. We'll explore what are tuples and sets and two more essential Python data structures with unique properties and use cases. See you then.